In this revision session, we're going to be looking at production methods, or what is sometimes known as scales of production. There are only three methods of production you need to know: one-off, batch, and mass production. The first one we are going to look at is one-off production. This method is used to make a single one-off product that is made to a client's specification. The advantage of this production method is that it produces one of a kind to a high quality, but usually requires a highly skilled craftsman to complete the piece. However, the disadvantage of this production method is that it's expensive, time consuming, and labour intensive. The second production method we're going to look at is batch production. This method is used to make a range of products from as few as 10 to say 1,000. The products that are made using this method are usually magazines and newspapers. The advantage of this production method is that it is flexible in adapting production to another product, fast responds to market trends, produces identical batches of a product, uses good economies of scale in bulk buying of materials, and it has a low unit cost. The disadvantage of this production method is that poor production planning can result in large quantities of materials having to be stored, increasing the cost. And frequent changes in production can cause costly retooling, affecting the cost of the final product. The final production method we are going to look at is mass production. This method is used to make hundreds or thousands of a single product. The products that are made using this method are things such as mobile phones, game consoles, and clothes. The advantage of this production method is that it is highly automated and efficient manufacturing process. Requires a specific workforce, requires quality control, excellent economies of scale in bulk buying of materials, has a low unit cost and low labour costs. The disadvantage of this production method is that it requires low skilled workers, provides low wages leading to job dissatisfaction, has ethnic concerns regarding manufacturing in developing countries such as sweatshops, has a high setup cost because of the expensive machinery involved, and it is inflexible as it cannot be changed quickly. That concludes this section of the revision. If you have any questions, please come and speak to me.